You take one breath, nothing. Another, still nothing. Your lungs are on fire, your vision blurs, and every heartbeat feels like it's echoing inside your skull. You're standing in a place where the air is so thin it could kill you, and yet, people pay thousands of dollars to be here. Welcome to the death zone, the upper reaches of Mount Everest, where survival is a science experiment in real time. At 8,848 meters, that's almost 9 kilometers straight up, the summit of Everest is basically the edge of space. There's only 1/3 of the oxygen you'd get at sea level. That means every step feels like running a marathon, while breathing through a straw. Temperatures can drop to -60 degrees Celsius, winds hit 200 kilometers an hour, and your body starts falling apart, literally. Your brain swelling. Your blood thickening. Your fingers and toes turning black with frostbite. And your heart pumping overtime just to keep you alive. It's like your body's screaming, "What are we doing up here? Let's talk medicine, high-altitude medicine." At this height, oxygen levels are so low that your cells start starving. Doctors call it hypoxia, we call it slow-motion suffocation. Your brain may swell from lack of oxygen, that's called high-altitude cerebral edema, or HACE, and it's as bad as it sounds. People start acting drunk, slurring words, stumbling, sometimes even hallucinating. You can literally die because your brain runs out of air. And if that's not enough, your lungs can fill with fluid, high-altitude pulmonary edema, or HAPE, making it impossible to breathe. Imagine drowning on dry land. Here's the wild part, your body actually tries to adapt. It starts pumping out extra red blood cells to carry more oxygen. Your breathing rate increases. Your heart works overtime. It's like your body switches into survival upgrade mode. But there's a limit, past 8,000 meters, no amount of acclimatization can save you for long. That's why climbers call it the death zone. You can't live there, you can only visit. Briefly. So how do people survive it? Here's where high-altitude medicine becomes superhero-level science. Step 1. Acclimatization. Climbers spend weeks going up and down the mountain, training their bodies like altitude ninjas. Step 2. Oxygen tanks, the climber's best friend. It's not cheating, it's survival. Supplemental oxygen raises blood oxygen levels, helping you think clearly, move faster, and stay alive. Step 3. Medication. Drugs like acetazolamide, or Diamox, help your body adjust faster. It's like giving your cells a pep talk, "Hey, breathe better." Then there's the hyperbaric bag, a portable pressure chamber that can simulate descending thousands of meters in minutes. If someone's dying from altitude sickness, this inflatable lifesaver can buy precious time until evacuation. Even the most experienced climbers carry pulse oximeters, tiny gadgets that measure blood oxygen. If your reading drops too low, it's game over unless you descend. But Everest isn't just a mountain, it's a medical laboratory in the clouds. Scientists study climbers to understand how humans survive in extreme oxygen deprivation. Their research helps not just mountaineers, but also patients in ICUs, pilots, astronauts, even people suffering from heart and lung disease. Here's something to blow your mind. At those heights, your body burns around 10,000 calories a day. You're basically turning into a living furnace. Your muscles waste away, you can't sleep properly, and even digesting food becomes a challenge. One climber described it best: you don't climb Everest, you survive it. And yet, every year, hundreds still try. Because up there, beyond pain and logic, there's something magnetic, something that makes humans say, I want to see the top of the world. High-altitude medicine isn't just about oxygen levels and pills. It's about understanding the raw, unfiltered limits of the human body and mind. Imagine this: you're 300 meters from the summit. The sun's setting. Oxygen's running low. Your body says, stop. Your mind whispers, just one more step. That's the razor-thin line between glory and tragedy. Because on Everest, medicine can only do so much. The rest is sheer willpower, the unbreakable drive that makes us human. So next time you see a photo of someone smiling on the top of Everest, remember, that smile cost them oxygen, blood, and maybe even a few fingers. Surviving up there isn't just climbing a mountain, it's beating biology itself. And that's just one chapter in the wild world of extreme human endurance. Ever wondered how astronauts deal with space sickness or how divers survive the bends underwater? We'll dive into that next. So hit that subscribe button, and get ready for another journey into the limits of human survival.